Hello folks, so today I'm doing a unboxing of a few accessories for Honda Clarity plug-in hybrid. I just bought my Clarity last week and actually came with factory carpet mats, and it didn't come with a trunk mat as well, so I bought those, and today we're gonna take those mats out of the box and install it in Clarity and see how well they're fitting. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Just received it this morning. There are a few accessories inside. Let's see. So there are the trunk mat, which is right over here. And compared to my old Accord, this trunk mat is actually pretty small because it doesn't cover the bump area of the battery in my Clarity, which kind of is a bummer, but I'll take it as is. So the rest, I think, is the actual all-weather floor mats for both the front and the back of the seat. So 4 pieces, and those are actually better. Those feels nicer than this one. Like, this is actually rubber, and the trunk mat is actually plastic, more plasticky and less flexible. So and over here is the lock nut for the Clarity, because my Clarity doesn't come with lock nuts, and those are factory lock nuts, I think made by that company that makes all those lock nuts. The interesting thing is it didn't come with the wrench, so that's something to keep in mind. I thought when I bought it, it should come with a wrench, but it didn't. And this costs $36 for a set. The all-season floor mats is about $100, $110 I think, and the trunk mat is $76. So, and this is the console mat for under the shifting area. Let's open it up really quick. Again, I bought those online because my local dealer actually wants more money for them. So the console mat is also fairly flexible. It's in between the rubber flexibleness and the trunk mat flexibleness. It's like somewhere in between. It's bendable, but it's not very soft nor very hard. And I have some slight grip, so it should hold your stuff fairly well. Like your cell phones and stuff in the under the console area fairly well. And we're gonna go ahead and put those into the Accord, into the Clarity, and take a look. So as you can see, this is the factory carpeting right over here, and of course in the driver's side, and of course rear passenger side. I am gonna take those off and put the new all-season mats in and take a look. Like, the reason I don't like those is that some area over here is exposed, and that is not good. I hope the all-season one would actually cover those area instead of just starting from here. So let's replace the front passenger side first. Basically just unscrew those and take it out. It's like super light. I would say like cheap feeling factory mats. That's carpet. So let's find the passenger side. Alright, so this is the passenger side, and actually the good thing about those all-season mats is it actually covers this area under here. As you can see, I just need to pull it further inside. Get it down there. Alright, and try to align all the piece, and then I can turn it, lock it. This area is slightly off, so it's kind of hard to put this on here. Okay, so now it's on. And as you can see, it actually covers the entire area, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the driver's side as well. So the driver's side, it looks like it's gonna cover some of the area, but not all the areas. So first, of course, take off the factory mat. Leave it on the back. The nice thing about the all-weather one is it actually covers the area that was previously not covered, like this little bump over here. So that's really nice. And let's of course align the thing and lock it in. So lock it right here, and you just push it in and then lock it. Now it's locked. I guess one little complaint I have is I kind of wish it covered that area as well, but it's not. Regardless, this covers more area than the stock mat covers. Another thing to note is that, see this little thing? It's kind of bended a little bit. Hopefully with use it would go back in place, or maybe I'll just use a little sticker to stick it over here so the dirt doesn't go in from the side. Okay, let's put the rear ones inside, and then we're gonna start. We're gonna put the trunk mat inside the car as well. So let's just go ahead and put the trunk mat in. It's just a piece of plastic. So the trunk does not have anything originally. Now you have this mat. It fits okay. The problem is now you cannot put the charger down here because it's really hard to take the charger out. See? So now I have to find another place to put the charger. So maybe somewhere there with the strap to hold the charger, but that is a downside. So you lose the accessibility of the little extra storage down below the trunk. But it actually covers the important area, so when you go grocery shopping and things, your trunk is protected. So there you have it. That's the trunk mat. So all their floor mats have the little clips, which is nice. My older Accord does not have those clips on the back side, but this one actually have, and it's one-piece mat, so I have to take it off from both sides and then lift it up. Let's see. There you have it. So the mat is off, and I'm gonna put the all-weather one inside. It looks to be exactly the same. No, okay, slight difference. So let's go ahead and go put them in. Find out which side is which. Okay. So, nope, not this one. So the locking tab area is slightly different, so that way you know which mat is for which side, which is a nice thought. So lock it in, lock it in. So the passenger side on the rear, one is complete and one to go. Over here, let's install it. Just align the tabs and then it should fall inside fairly nicely. Now it's all complete. Take a look. Kind of hard to see, but this should give it plenty of protection for during the raining season in Florida. And the downside with this is you lose the protection for the little hump on the back, but other than that, your car is well protected. Okay, take a look at the driver's side again. Now the problem is this little area that's like kind of humping out. Okay, so I think with use it should go in, but this is one little complaint I have for this mat. It's not fitting super nice. Okay, one last thing is the console mat, which is right over here. Little rubber thing. Yeah, put it in here. So the original one does not have a mat. Now you can put this in here. And it should give some grip to all the stuff that you put in here and not damaging the plastic area under. So that's quite nice. So there you have it, all the accessories I got for the Honda Clarity. I think its total comes to about $250 shipped for all the mats. I think it's worth the price because this is definitely long-term protection for your Clarity. And if you just bought a Clarity and you're looking for mats, definitely get the factory one. It works pretty good, and it also have the official Clarity logo on it, which is really nice. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions about those accessories, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video, and take care.